Welcome back to SoFlo Health. I'm Hunter Franqui, and we're at the JW Marriott Turnberry. I'm out on the golf course because we're having a staycation, and loads of people like to spend their leisure time with a round of golf. And who could blame them? Look how beautiful it is out here in lovely South Florida. However, it would be tragic if you were to injure yourself right at the beginning of your vacation or staycation, and then you spent most of your time in the hotel room instead of doing whatever it is you want to do. Go to the water park, hang out, shop, or just enjoy the relaxation time. Fortunately, Dr. Sam Rasool is here with us today to show you how you can protect yourself and stay in the swing of things. Let's find the doc. Dr. Sam, we both have lefty clubs, but we're both righties. Why is that? What do you want to show us about staying healthy while golfing, which a lot of people do to relax?
Exactly. Well, if you're on vacation, obviously if you're at home, you want to visit your local chiropractor or physical therapist to make sure your biomechanics are on. But if you're on vacation, what happens when you may or may not, tweak your back, your hip, your knee? So what do I do all day long when I'm golfing? I'm doing a right-handed swing. Now, I don't need a left-handed club to do this. If you have right-handed clubs, take a couple of moments after your round, after either at the 9th hole or after the 18th, to take a couple of swings the opposite way. So if I'm used to going like this, you want to just take your club and you want to go the opposite way, just to kind of get a couple of swings to bring balance to your hips, your core, your knees, everything around.
Well, that's great information to know. Are there any stretches golfers can do to make sure that they're being even healthier?
Absolutely. A lot of the biggest things I see in my office are tight hips. And the repetition of use when you're golfing, if your hips aren't moving right, the lower back, the mid back, the upper back are all taking the grunt. So a great stretch you can start to do today or on staycation is a hip flexor stretch. So Hunter, if you go down, we'll start with the right. You're gonna go all the way down, put the right knee into the ground, left leg is forward. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna shift forward just like so. It's getting hard in dress pants, but you're gonna kind of do this. You can lean on your golf club, or you could put the golf club down and put your hands on your hips. What you wanna do is you wanna come forward and then turn toward the side that you're trying to stretch. So you're gonna kind of like go forward,
like this way?
Shift, and then forward like that. Yeah, you feel that right in the groin area.
Yes!
That's where you're gonna feel it.
Right where your, let's say, right where your leg meets the rest of your body. How about that?
Yeah, right near the jewels. Right?
Yeah, right near.
Right there.
The
and
important
that's the
parts.
area I feel a lot of patients will come in and say, I pulled my back or I pulled my hip. This is a culprit that you see a lot. Now, when you finish, you wanna turn back and then push back just like so. That will then stretch that one side. You can do the same thing for the other side, switch legs up. But you want to come in and out of this stretch very carefully.
All right, well, Dr. Sam, thank you so much for all this great info to keep us moving on vacation. We got to stretch the other side now because anything you do to one side, you got to do to the other.
Yep.